Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mohammed Misbahuddin, working as Scientist F and Group Head of Capacity Building at Center for Development of Advanced Computing, C-DAC Bangalore. I am here to announce a very good and great opportunity for all the final year students of BE, BTech, MCA and MSc. C-DAC Bangalore along with the Karnataka Minority Development Corporation have designed an internship project which we are calling it as Practicum. So in this training, the candidates will be trained for 1 month duration in different areas of their interest, including full stack development, embedded systems design, cyber security and data science. Along with this, they are going to do project directly under the supervision of the scientists from C-DAC, and their projects will be R&D based project. You might be aware that C-DAC is a premier R&D institution of Government of India, working in all the advanced technologies, and this is a great opportunity for all of you to come join C-DAC for this course. And the Karnataka Minority Development Corporation, they are giving all the benefits. The training is free for all the minority candidates. Minority, I mean Muslim minority, Christians, Buddhists, Jains and Sikhs. All these minorities, the Minority Development Corporation, they have provided all the facilities including your accommodation and food. So there is no training fee that you have to pay, and there is no accommodation and food that you have to pay. They have made already all the arrangements. The time is already there, so you are requested to submit your applications at the earliest by scanning the link which we are giving here. Hope to see you at C-DAC Bangalore.